Hello and welcome to Malcav's Coding Hour. So it's currently 22 minutes past 10, and so I think I'm going to code for an hour. A brand new project, something I've been thinking about for a while. So hopefully, in order to encourage me to keep this up, I'm going to broadcast it. So if you're interested, if you've got any tips, advice, that's brilliant. And let's get going. Sorry about the cold. I've been fighting it for a while, as you may know if you've watched my other videos. But hopefully getting better. So, right, let's get started. So, with that main camera, I want to create cube. Hello, cube. Hello. Hello. Oh, hello. So, this is our protagonist. A humble little cube. Humble little cube. And I'm not going to try and recreate anything special here. It's starting out simple. So, oh god, sorry. Blocked up nose. So, we have Mr. Cube. He's going to be our little man. So, Mr. Cube, you are in position position 1. Oh, turn the number thing off. 1. Okay, thank you. Now, let's have a split screen. Can I have split screen? How do I forgot how to do split screen. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so we want the camera to be basically where I am now. So we want him to be over here. So basically we're going to give it a bit of an isometric feel. Right now, let's get the rotation 15, 25, I don't reckon it's bigger than that, 90, 45, oh no, 0, 45. So I want it to move this way. So let's see where that goes. So 90 is perfect. Point it straight down. Let's try minus 15. It's rotating it around there, isn't it? That's what it's doing. Oh, don't like how it keeps moving like that. I think I need to, let's go 87, so it's, oh god, that's horrible. Right, come on, let's be a bit more bold. 45, okay, so now if I rotate that 90, looking at me, oh the other way, right, okay, so let's do minus 90. There we are, there's Mr. Box. Okay, so we can't see Mr. Box really, so let's put a light source in. Light source, point light. So we'll have point light. Let's not touch the camera, is it? I don't want to touch the camera, right? So let's put that right by Mr. Box. Okay, so I want point at the other side of him. Oh, it's a bit bright. Intensity. Okay, so there we are. I want you to be 0. It's a point light, so it doesn't really matter, but there we are. So 0, 0. Do I kind of want it to be above the box? No, because we're going to be looking at it 45 degrees. So that should be fine. No, that was wrong. What have I done there? Zoom out. Where's the camera gone? Oh, it's directly above, that's why. So it needs to be behind. So let's go -20. Okay. We want it to be closer than that, so let's do 10. The rest of these should be 1. No, that's wrong. Oh, okay. Yeah, so the X is, so the Y needs to be 10. So if I wanted to get a bit closer, let's go 7. Okay, so we can see our little man there. It's not too bad. Right. Now wherever he moves, I want the camera to follow. So I'm going to make camera part of the cube, and I'm going to make the light part of the cube as well. So should the cube move, so will the camera, theoretically. Right. So we're not doing any physics or anything like that. Right, the other thing I want, so let's have assets, let's create a folder. Let's have scripts. Right, so in here, now part of the main function of the game is this box changing colour. So I want a C# script, change colour, let's just call it that for the time being. Right. Okay, I'm not sure whether you can see this or whether you'll see the same window, but let me just check on the stream whether we'll be able to change window here. Takes 30 seconds, so just flounder about a bit. Okay, 8 minutes in, we've got a box, we've got a light, we've got a camera. Our first script is being created. Okay, stream says I'm double clicking. Now nothing's happening, so yeah, I think you can't see the coding page, which is a shame, but potentially there might be a way of doing this. Can I edit it here? No. Oh, that's a shame then. Right, I'll put off coding for a while then. So first of all, let's have flooring, which is needed. Cube. Let's rename that to the player. And I'll do the script in a bit. So we want a 2D object. No, I want 3D object. Plane. Okay, so we have that at 1, 1, 1. Okay, so directly below the player. So Right, the player's through the floor, so let's raise the player up a bit. So, 2. Is that off the ground or is it on the ground? 1.5. Up, down. Right, are you on the floor or above it? You're on it. Okay, great. So that's the floor. So we'll rename that floor. Then what we're going to do is create a wall. So once again, simple, keep it basic. No, he's not part of the floor. This guy is a wall object. So, right, now let's have a look in the store at what they've got in here. Is it loading? Are you loading? Yes. Are you loading? Hello? Let's just type brick and see if it finds anything. 44, great. Would you, can I, are you good? Hello? Can I see, please? Hello? I don't want to show an explorer. Right, why are you not showing? Brick. Let's try models. Are you gonna load anything? Oh, these are favourites. Asset store, there's the one. So we want brick. Okay, so free assets, thank you very much. Let's chuck pavement. Yeah, let's chuck that one on there. So we want to import. Oh, okay, I'm going to move this to a different window. Hopefully you can't see it. I don't think I know what my thing is. Is that it? Nope. Let's try. Nope. Forgotten. Right. Email. If your email address you received a password recovery link. Okay, I don't think you can see any of this. I think the way it works. Password reset. Alright, here we go. Okay, no, you can't see any of that. That's good. Right, okay, so I should now be able to do that. Yep, right, good. No, wrong one. 2, 0. Right, okay. So, did you import? Import package. Error building package. Servers unable to build a package. Please re-import. Right, okay. Right, this one. Unable to do. Right. Error, unable to build package. You're going to do that with everything? Please re-import. Let's try brick. Asset store. Right, so what's your bleeding problem in it? Prefabs. Just want that. Want that there. Right, popping up another window that you can't see. Let's see if I can import it from here. Right. So, right, I want textures and materials, brick, rate by price, free, high Russian wall textures. Perfect. I want that. Give me that. That's absolutely perfect. I accept. I would like that, please. I'll have some textures soon, hopefully. That's good, actually. I've got plans as well, so. Perfect. Import. Let's close that window. Why have you pinged at me? Pinged? Why did you ping? Oh, pardon me. Do I have to wait for you to finish downloading? It's a bit poo that you can't see the screens I'm looking at, but in some ways it's good as well. Right. So that should have finished importing. importing. Let's close that window. Okay. Wall 1, no, don't like that one. Don't like that one. That one. Okay, so you go on. Wall. Okay, so let's have a look at this. Perfect. For now, we know that's a wall. That tells us that's a wall, which is fine. Right, so that wall's there. And we basically want that to be a prefab, don't we? So let's create another folder. Create folder prefab. Wall. So then when the game starts, we can spawn a bunch of walls, the map, so to speak. And that'll be us. Right, so this script I want to adjust now, but if I program it you can't see what I'm doing. Let's have a look at this broadcasty thingy. Is there any options? So if I double click this, press add, press add, add screen capture, that one. Theoretically you should be able to see that now. Oh. Hey. Right. Okay, so what we want to do is do hide change color. Yes, I'm not American. So what we want is int R, int G, int B. Right, so whatever calls this. I'm trying to remember what it is. Trying to remember how you access it. Oh, I had it before and I've wiped my hard drive. So basically this will come in and it'll apply it's game objects, I think. Game objects. Game object find. Remember what it is. Renderer. Color, no. Might have to resort to Google. Might have to resort to Google. Red. Now I think that's actually going to turn the light red. So let's, before we put it in there, we put it in on start. I think that's actually going to turn the light attached to the player red. So let's save that. We'll go back to there. So I need to then go back to how do I get rid of, well, I have to remove it. Settings. Okay, let's remove that then. Okay. So let's go back to this. Let's put that onto there. So when the player starts, the light should turn red. Compiler error has occurred. Remember, names cannot be the same as the enclosure type. Yeah, shut it. Just delete that for the time being. No. Obviously not. Stop playing now, please. Hello. I think it's crashed. Yep, it's crashed. No, I think it was just loading everything. So the light has turned. Change colour. Add component. This bit here, this colour bit, I want to add. Edit shader. Ooh, I don't know what you are. I don't know what you are. Go away. The player. Alright. I want to change your colour. So I need to have a material. Ah, that's it, isn't it? Create material. New material. Player mat. That's white. So then I apply that to the player. Player's material is white. Yep, that white is fine. So shader. So why are you of these on, that'll work, wouldn't it? No, I don't want one. I just want it to be white. So apparently white is grey. Is that just because the light's not close enough? Point light. So maybe, why don't we change it to... Okay, that's a bit much, isn't it? So I don't even know what that means. Okay, that's not good. Directional spot. That's quite nice. But a bit far away. Spotlight player. Why's the floor moving away? Floor's not far of anything. 0, 0, 0. It's 1, 1, 1, isn't it? Spot's not very good either. Point. Right, so I want it bright enough so that thing looks white. But not so bright. You can't see anything. It should have several lights. Area light. What's this? Area light intensity. Width 10. 10. Let's turn you down and see what this area light does. Area lights require Unity Pro. Ah, well, screw you. Point light. Intensity. So I want that to look white. Let's try creating another light. So right, let's do you at 2. No, let's do you at -1. gives it a kind of glow. Then when you change, you can see it changing. Right, good. So, there we are. But now we need the script to work. So, oh, no. Let go of multiple scenes. Hopefully, add screen capture. No, not that one. That one. Right. Okay, so that should be easy to switch between the two. Right, so what we've actually got is not changing the colour, we're changing the material. Dot material. Get component. Component system type dot material, is that in there? No. Great. Okay, so let's name the material. So let's call, so it's player mat. So if we now say player mat dot color, you can allow this. Nope. Okay, I think I'm gonna have to Google it. Okay, Google changing color of material in script Unity. Renderer.material. Okay, so let's put that back to what it was. Do the player dot renderer dot materials dot color dot red equals red. So let's give that a go. Okay, let's save that. Go back to Unity. So does that change for you as well? Yep, perfect. So now if we run it, red. Boom. So that is how we're going to change the colour mid-game. Blip. Red. Not really a game as such as yet, but we'll get there. Still not sure about this whole, just kind of want an area light. we want to have on the floor? Oh, that's not too bad, is it? Let's go there. Theoretically I can do that. I wonder if the other one. Player functions, that's the one. Okay, so update input dot get key down. Get key down. What do you return? Key code A. Is that a Boolean? Yeah. If transform dot transform x, no. This is just basics, why don't I remember it? Key press move Unity scripts object not moving scripting API update. So it's lowercase transform dot transform from vector new vector 3 open brackets 1 0 0 close brackets end. So save that. Let's go back to Unity. Let's make sure you can see it. Bloop. So theoretically now when I press this, it turns red. Pressing A. Pressing A. Or did I move it to the player? The player functions. Okay. Get close to the hour now. Alright, I think I'm going to bring that to a halt. It's not quite an hour, but done some good work. Got a floor, got some, the man, got a wall prefab. So next time we'll get him moving around, and then hopefully we'll get a map created. Okay, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.